She was raped, everything was done in the jungle. There was no light, no camera, no surveillance, no police, no security, nothing.
When it comes to providing safety to the women of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, despite being a women chief minister, has completely failed.
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has sparked controversy with her remarks on the Durgapur Medical College gang rape case. Speaking at a press briefing, she questioned why the survivor was outside the campus at 12:30 a.m. In one of the most disturbing stories this week, a 23-year-old MBBS student from Odisha studying in Durgapur, West Bengal, was allegedly gang raped near her college campus on October 10 night. In a significant development, 3 men have already been arrested, while search operations, including drone surveillance, are underway to catch the remaining suspects. The young woman, who went out for dinner, never imagined her life would change forever that night. This incident has reignited anger across India, questioning once again how safe women are even inside university campuses. The 23-year-old, originally from Jaleswar in Odisha, was pursuing her second year of MBBS at a private medical college in Durgapur. She had gone out for dinner with a male classmate. While walking back, she reportedly noticed they were being followed by a few men, including an older person. Moments later, she was allegedly dragged into a nearby forest area under the Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate. There, a group of men snatched her mobile and money and allegedly gang raped her. Her classmate, who reportedly was present at the time, has been detained for questioning after the victim's family raised suspicion that he may have known or even helped the attackers. Police say they are following all forensic protocols, but whether the evidence chain holds remains to be seen. The young student is currently bedridden, in pain, and unable to walk. Her father says she fears staying in West Bengal and wants to be shifted to Odisha for safety and better treatment.
बेटी थोड़ा डेवलप है और पीछे में पेन भी हो रहा है, देख के आया अभी, चल तो नहीं पा रहा है, बेड में है. वो तो बहुत हेल्प कर रहा है, चीफ मिनिस्टर भी हमको फोन किया, डीजी, एसपी, कलेक्टर सारी हमको हेल्प कर रहे हैं. वो कैसे है सब, एवरी मोमेंट ही हैज टेकन माय ओपिनियन. आपको भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट किया, क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं जहाँ यहाँ लड़की सिक्योरिटी नहीं है, इसलिए हम उसको रिक्वेस्ट किया, जहाँ हम हमारा भुवनेश्वर में हमारा लड़की को ले जाओ, नहीं तो यहाँ से कभी भी मार भी देंगे. वो हमारा अभी विश्वास टूट गया. वो आश्वासन दिया, ठीक है हम कोशिश करते हैं.
The West Bengal government has assured that strict action will be taken and no perpetrator will be spared. Senior officials are in touch with the victim's family and the Odisha administration. The Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate confirmed the arrests and said the investigation is ongoing.
3 persons have been arrested and forwarded to court today in this case, and all investigation is going on according to all protocol and all SOP is being followed.
The opposition BJP has slammed the Mamata Banerjee government, calling West Bengal a safe haven for rapists. Odisha leaders, including Union Minister Pratap Chandra Sarangi from Odisha, have demanded a fair and transparent probe.
तो उस घटना की निंदा करते हैं और लगातार पश्चिम बंगाल में इस तरह की घटनाएं घट रही है. मेडिकल कॉलेज में खास करके हम देखें तो एक तो पश्चिम बंगाल सरकार को इस पर कड़ी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए, और साथ ही साथ हमने NCW की टीम भी वहाँ गई है. NCW की टीम घटना के बारे में पूरी जानकारी ले रही है और निश्चित तौर पे ये कार्रवाई हो, ये हम सब चाहेंगे कि इस तरह की घटनाएं बार बार जो घट रही है तो ये दुखद है. तो इस तरह की घटना ना घटे, इसके लिए सरकार गंभीरता से पश्चिम बंगाल सरकार देखे. एक तरफ हम देखते हैं कि वहाँ तो मतलब पश्चिम बंगाल में ममता दीदी हैं और एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री है, और महिला मुख्यमंत्री रहने के बाद इस तरह की घटनाएं लगातार घटना, ये बहुत ही दुखद है.
More than 50% electorate of Bengal, the women of Bengal, that Bengal is unsafe, and she has failed and she will continue to fail in providing safety and security to the women of Bengal. This also is a big slap in the face of all those lobbies who were backing Mamata Banerjee for being a women chief minister. This also is a big question mark and a big statement which proves that Mamata Banerjee has compromised the dignity of the victim.
The National Commission for Women, NCW, has sought a detailed report within 5 days and demanded that the classmate be fully investigated.
8 p.m. the girl went out, and by 9:30, 9 o'clock, everything was completed. She was raped. Everything was done in the jungle. There was no light, no camera, no surveillance, no police, no security, nothing. And after that, she came back to hospital with her friend again by 9:30, before 9:30. And there she had severe pain and severe bleeding, for which she was admitted to hospital by her other friends. CM cannot say the 12:30 a.m. By 11 o'clock, she was in hospital emergency after the incidents. So funny. I must know before I give some, I'm a chief minister of the state, head of the state. So before commenting this, you should know the time.
Women's rights activists say the same questions arise every time. Why aren't campus surroundings safe? Why does the blame shift to the victims? And why does justice move so slowly?
It is very shameful that cases are coming from institution because women are not safe outside. We can say that it takes a lot of hard work and efforts to make roads safer or places safer, but institutions, I mean, for God's sake, it is the safest place on the planet is the institution. And if you don't want to put some little extra efforts to make them more comfortable or safe for women, I think it's a failure of the government.
This is not just a story. It is a stark reminder of the vulnerability that countless women in India face every day. Until society, institutions, and authorities truly protect women, stories like this will keep repeating. The question remains, when will safety become a reality, not just a headline?